Early access is designed to bring your app to a wider audience while making it clear that the experience is still evolving. Think of it as an open beta with structure. Your app is published on the store and available for purchase, but it carries an early access label that sets user expectations. The label also appears on reviews, so potential players know the feedback was given while your app was still in development. This creates a valuable opportunity to test at scale, grow your community, and improve the experience with real player feedback. While your app is in early access, take advantage of our A/B testing to see which assets perform the best. Then, use the update section of your product details page to communicate any new features to your users and anyone browsing the store. The best fit for early access is when your app is stable and enjoyable, but not fully polished. Remember, this is still your only chance to make a first impression, so consider carefully if you're ready for an audience. It's especially well suited for free apps, where lowering the barrier to entry helps you reach more players and build momentum. And since the app is free, users tend to be more forgiving in their reviews. To keep that clarity for players, there are a couple of guardrails to consider. Once you publish in early access, you can't switch the listing to a pre-order or a coming soon. And once you disable early access, you can't re-enable it. Early access must be selected in your first app submission. You can't publish a new version of an existing app as early access. These rules protect the user experience on the store, so it's important to map out your overall launch plans before you commit. Early access bridges the gap between testing and release. It's a chance to refine your app with real-world feedback, all while growing your audience and building momentum on the store.